That was a fail. Just rolled off the table.
All right, I got an 8.
I got 2. You go first.
All right, I will start off. An honorary webcam cut.
Yep, that's what I was doing too.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll keep this. All right, good luck, friend.
Good luck to you.
I'll bookmark for turn. I will play a Cosmic Aura, fatigue it for a bookmark, and pass turn.
All right, I'm gonna bookmark for turn or a drop, and I will do the same. Mark 2.
All right.
And pass turn.
All right, bookmark for turn, awaken. Going to play a Possessed Aura. I will fatigue both of those to play a Night Marchers, or Dark Watchers. Too used to playing your Spirit deck. And then I will pass turn.
All right, I shall bookmark for turn. Awaken. Trap an aura. I am then going to use a lightning bolt on your Dark Watchers. So he'll take 25 and be paralyzed for next turn.
Okay.
And then I'm going to pass turn.
All right, so bookmark, awaken, play a Prism Aura for turn. I guess just pass turn. Let paralyze fall off.
All right. Bookmark for turn. I am going to drop an aura and pass turn.
All right, bookmark.
Beasties.
Awaken, I'll play Cosmic Aura for turn. I'm gonna fatigue him to look at the top 3 cards on my deck. 1, 2, 3. Since there's a Terra or an Aura, I'll take the Terra, put it into my deck, and put these 2 back in any order. I'll fatigue 2 Cosmic to bring out Ask We Daid. Since there are no beasties on your side, Flash doesn't occur, and I will
Space Nuggies.
Pass turn. Got my Space Nug out.
All right, bookmark for turn. All right, this is how we're gonna do this. Let's do 4. The Space Nuggie is got Spirit, correct? Flying.
Flying and Spirit.
Flying and Spirit.
Yep.
Okay. She can't do. It's hoping to do. All right, I'm gonna lay a Lightning Storm.
Okay.
So you haven't laid a Terra yet. I was.
Nope.
You're
That'll
probably
give you up
going
to start.
to destroy that. 4 for Quetz.
Okay.
Swinging for 90. 90 to caster.
Okay.
Lightning in a bottle, and I'll do it again to you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sounds good.
Pass turn.
All right, start my turn. I'll bookmark, awaken. I'm going to fatigue him to look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. No Aura or Terra, so we'll put those back. I'm going to fatigue 1 Cosmic to play Born from the Earth. So if there's a Terra that you want to grab, you're allowed to right now. I'm going to grab
I'm not giving you Terra. Oh wait, do I have to put it onto the?
You don't
I
have
don't
to.
have
No.
to though, do I?
Nope. You don't
Okay,
have to.
then I actually do want to do that because you can destroy my other one, and then I can bring. I don't know if I got to show you yet, but there's my Terra I grabbed.
Nice. Yep. So the way it works is yours goes.
Because you can
first.
destroy all my. You can destroy that lightning storm, correct? With your.
Correct. Yeah. Ask we.
Or get rid of it.
Is allowed to destroy a Terra with his attack effect.
Okay. Yeah. And that was a smart move by me. That's how my quests are swinging hard.
Okay. So are you contracting the second one?
Nope.
Do
I have to?
Okay, so here's this card, the way it's worded. Each caster may search their spellbook for a Terra page, comma, contract it, comma, and shuffle their spellbook. So there, it says may.
All right, I'll contract it. It's whatever.
Okay.
It says may.
It says you may search your spellbook for a Terra page, comma, contract it, comma, and shuffle their spellbook. So is may, like, are you able to pick and choose out of those three?
I think I have to put it out. But that's fine. It's whatever.
Okay, so then
I think if I grab it, I have to put it out.
trying to line this up with yours. Okay, you have your two lightnings, and then I have my full moon.
Looks good.
I'm going to play a Stars Terra. So when Stars Terra or Meteor Shower gets played, it activates his arena effect. I get to deal 10 damage to target beastie, artifact, or caster twice. Deal 10 damage. So I'm going to deal 20 damage to Kets.
Alright, let me go. 20.
So he's at 70 health right now.
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to play a Meteor Shower. Deal another 20 damage to Kets.
Okay.
Thanks to Born from the Earth, the next beastie I contract costs one less ore for each Terra bonus it has in the arena. So I will fatigue one Cosmic, and I'll say this as Cosmic as well, to play Alignak. And I will, well, first I'm going to swing 30 at you and destroy one of your lightning storms.
Oh, okay.
So these all move down. So we've got 4 Terra in the arena. I'm going to play this Night Strike Terra next. So it's a nighttime Terra, and the effect is that beasties with first strike deal damage second. So with that, I will Lightning in a Bottle my Asquiaid, another 30 at you, and destroy your other lightning storm.
Oh, jeez.
Move all these down. And then I will pass turn.
Wait, is there any way I could go back? I want to Smoky Spirits that, if you're cool with that. So that way I can keep
Sure,
my...
the last one? Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll move all these back.
Sorry, your deck is... I'm still getting used to it. It's a weird deck. It's
all good, man. All good. Yeah, so it's all you.
Alright, bookmark for turn. Alright.
So yeah, we'll give you 30 back then.
Let's do... Oh, do I want to think here for a second? How much does the Space Nug health have? LP?
40.
40, okay. And he's swinging for 30?
Yep.
Alright. I am going to fatigue 1 to first anniversary celebrations, and I'll swing the 25 at your...
So I'm gonna second anniversary of that.
All right. Son of a...
So we each draw one.
You had it. Draw one. Let's do 3 for Thunderbird. I can't hit any of your guys. I needed that. But I might as well swing at you while I can. So I'll do 90 to caster.
Okay.
And you don't have any. Yeah, I guess another. Could I keep him up to block? I'm gonna keep him up
Okay.
and pass turn.
All right. So how much health does he have?
50.
And does he have flying?
He does have flying.
Okay. All right. All right. So I'll bookmark. Awaken. Oh, okay. So one thing I forgot. So at the very beginning of my turn, before I bookmark, before I awaken anything, this gets generated. And that triggers his arena effect. So I'm going to deal another 20 damage to... Actually, I'll deal 20 damage to Thunderbird.
Okay, so he's at 40. It's Bonte.
Alright, so I'm going to fatigue him. I'll look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got choices here. I will grab this aura. I'll put these back in any order. And I will play this for turn. I'm going to fatigue 1 Cosmic and 1 Prism Aura to play Tidal Pull.
Okay.
Draw 3, and I'll put 2 on the bottom. 2, 3, 2. And then, so Thunderbird has 30 health left.
Yes.
All right, so I will swing at Thunderbird for 30. I will pop this Terra. The effect on this Terra when it gets created is that if it's the first Terra destroyed, I get to bookmark. So I'll bookmark for that. And then when I destroy a Terra, I get to deal 25 damage with the attack effect. So I'll put another 25 onto Kets. I will fatigue 3 to play Power Up Red.
Go for it. This is over.
150 at caster.
Yep.
At that, I will take this Meteor Shower and I'll put it under here and deal 10 damage to everything on your side. So Kets takes 10 damage.
So he's at 75. To grab a different.
So how much health does he have left?
15.
Okay. I will play a Meteor Shower to deal him the last 20 damage with the Alignak or Space Nugs effect, and then I'll pass turn.
All right. I'm going to bookmark for turn. Awaken. Four for another Quetz.
Okay.
And I'll swing into you for 90. Pass turn. That's all I can do.
All right. So start of my turn. This gets created. I'll deal 20 damage to your Kets. I will bookmark for turn and awaken. Fatigue him, look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. Take the aura. And then put these back in any order. Play the Prism Aura for turn. Swing at you for 30. I will pop this, triggering the token Terra's effect. I'll bookmark for that, and I will deal the 25 damage from the pop Terra to Ketch.
So another 20.
25.
25. So now it's 45.
I will fatigue this to play bookmark. Draw in 2. I will swing 150 at you.
Yep.
2, 3. I will take this meteor shower, put it under here, deal 20 damage to everything on your side. So Ketz takes another 20.
65.
I will lightning in a bottle him.
Do it
Another
again.
150. Yep, 150 at you. Take this Terra and put it underneath. So Ketz takes 30 damage.
And it's dead.
I'll play a nighttime Night Strike Terra to keep the fleet back. And then I'll fatigue 2 Cosmic to bring out another Space Nug. I will do the Possessed as a Cosmic, one of the Prisms as a Cosmic, and the other as a Water to bring out another Alignak. And then I will pass turn.
All right. Okay. Try it. Fatigue 4 for Call of the Storms, unless you got a dampen, which I don't think you have.
Yeah, I don't have
You don't
any
have the
aura
aura
up.
for anyways.
Yeah,
You probably did have a dampen, didn't you?
I'm not saying.
Those two. So all you guys are still spirit. I can't hit any of them. So 90 to caster and 30 to caster. And then this. Oh wait. And then if I destroyed a beastie, he awakens again.
Right. Yep.
I didn't destroy a beastie, so that dies at the end of turn and pass turn.
Okay. So at the start of my turn, the first token Terra from this Alignak will deal 20 damage from him to Ketz, and another 20 damage from him to Ketz. The second Alignak creates its own Terra, another 40 damage to Ketz total.
He's got 10 left.
I'll bookmark for turn and awaken. Oh, things are getting messy over here. All right, so I will swing at you for 150 with this Alignak.
Yep.
I will take this Terra and put it under here. Ketz will take 40 damage now.
Die.
50 at you. I'll move this under here just to do it. This goes up to 5. I will swing 30 at you.
Mm-hmm.
Pop this. I'll deal I think I can deal the 25 damage. 25 damage to Beastie Artifact or Caster. So I'll deal the 25 to you. And I'll bookmark. I'll fatigue this. 30 to you. And then pop this Terra. Deal an extra 25 to you. What have we got? 180. I'll fatigue this. Look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll play a Stars Terra. Triggering the arena effect for both of these. I'll deal all 40 damage to you. And then I'll play 1 for a New Beginnings.
Okay. It's trying to finish me off right now.
I'm digging for some lightning in a bottles. Or a lightning in a bottle.
6, 7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Lightning in a bottle Alignak. swing at you for 150.
All right, GG's.
All right, good game.
All right, I am gonna throw instead of these smoky spirits I have. I'm gonna throw that card in here. I can't find another one. For some reason, I only have one on me right now. So when a backwards MetaZoo card is pulled, it means it's a Blue Jet Strike. Okay. So I'd go look for one right now, but that could, you know how it is when you're searching for one card for some reason, you usually can't find it.
Right. Yep. That's how it always works.
All right. Cut for the people.
Quick little cut. Oh.
All right, I will go first since I didn't get demolished, but man, that deck of yours is cool though.
Once it gets going, man, it gets tough. All right, I'll try this.
Yeah, I'll try this too. All right, good luck to you dudes.
Yep, good luck.
All right, I'm bookmark for turn. Drop an aura. Bring out a B.
Okay.
One. Actually, fortunately, I only have one on.
Dude, we gotta just hook you up with a ton of tokens, man. You're always playing.
I have tokens. I
but
need to go through and actually get them. Pass turn.
Okay, bookmark for turn. Cosmic Aura. I will fatigue it for a bookmark, and then I will pass.
Alright. Bookmark for turn. I'm going to drop an aura. Awaken. I'm going to fatigue 1, 2, bookmark.
Okay.
1, 2. And then I'm going to fatigue 1 more to bring out another bumblebee. Or not bee, hornet, my bad.
The Hornets are in full swing.
Yep, which didn't happen last game at all. 30 to caster, pass turn.
All right, bookmark for turn. Play a water aura. I'll fatigue both of those for a title pull. I'll go
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 2. Put those at the bottom, and then I'll pass.
Okay. Bookmark for turn. I'll awaken. Drop a lightning aura. To be honest, you don't have anything, so I'm gonna do it. Power up red, one of my hornets.
Oh, okay.
Dude, if I can power up red, I'm doing it from now on. You always stop me from power. All right, so I'm swinging at you for 110.
Okay.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then
Okay.
I'm going to lightning in a bottle and swing at you for another 110.
Okay.
Pass turn.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Awaken. Ugh. This is really not how this is supposed to go. Pass turn.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Drop an aura. I'm going to fatigue 3 to bring out a Thunderbird.
Okay.
These are all awakened. So 110.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50, and then 20 from the Thunderbird.
All right.
And pass turn.
Please be an aura. All right, it's an aura, but it's not really helpful. Can't do anything.
Another
with that
water
right now.
aura, which is like,
Pass
yeah.
turn.
All right. Bookmark for turn. I mean, you might be able to stop me here. I'm gonna do Call of the Storm. Do you got a dampen?
I do not. Nope.
Oh. All
I'm
right.
just like gonna test. I know this is like super grim for me right now, but I'm just gonna test the waters to see if I can actually like
See it come
somewhat get a
back.
comeback. Like if I just get one card that I need, I can make some stuff happen.
To be honest, I think I am gonna just bring out another Quetz so I can get you for that extra, extra
for sure.
90.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just start swinging at you. So 90. Oh yeah, 90 because it activates the Terra. 90,
Yep.
110, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so I have one turn to live if I can't wipe your board, unless you have
Yep, pass
lightning in
turn.
bottles. All right, so yeah, one of your
I don't.
kits goes to limbo.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Bookmark for turn. Okay, well, I did get an aura. All right, I think I have to do it this way. I will play a Stars Terra. I'm gonna fatigue 2 Cosmic for a Space Nug. I'm gonna auto flash your Hornet
Okay.
since Stars is
Up for
active.
next turn.
I'm gonna play Lightning or Night Strike, so Fleeting Beasties hit second. I will play Pool of Stars, a Meteor Shower, activating his effect. I'll take out 2 Hornets, 10 damage to each. Alright, so how much are you hitting for next turn? You have 30, 50, 90. I'm going to Lightning in a Bottle him.
Okay.
I'm going to swing 30 at Thunderbird.
Okay.
I'm going to pop this to deal an extra 25
And then take
to him.
out Thunder. Yep. Take out Thunderbird.
These get moved down. Lightning in a Bottle. Swing into the Hornet. Pop this and deal
Which one?
25. The actual Hornet.
The power up red one or the non-power up red one?
Sorry, non-power up red. I forgot about that.
Okay, so he's gone.
Yep, and then I'll deal the 25 damage from the Terra popping to Kets,
Okay.
and then I'll pass turn.
All right, I'm gonna bookmark for turn. Drop. And or for turn. So these are awakened. I'm gonna put out a lightning storm,
Oh, okay.
and I am going to lightning bolt your space nuggy.
Yep.
I'll take 25 and be paralyzed. And
Does
I
that
will
take away
swing.
trace? Does that take away spirit so you could actually attack him with the Hornets?
Paralyze.
Yeah.
I think we'd have to look that up. I know there's weird. Paralyzed pages are considered to have no effect text. All their attack damages become 0 and lose all effects. They cannot declare attacks or be declared as a defender.
Okay, so the effect text is this little box at the bottom here. So I think that loses
Yeah, so that
traits and
no,
terror
it wouldn't
bonuses.
lose its traits. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll swing the 110 at you and
You
pass turn and hope for the best.
Okay, you mean 90, right? Oh, you
Well,
mean
he's-
110 with the Hornets too?
Yeah, with the Hornets.
Okay, got it. And then your power up Redded Hornet is awake. He just couldn't
And
declare an attack.
defect. Yeah.
So, bookmark
Okay.
for turn, awaken. I'm pretty sure this is game, but I'll bring out Esquiaid. Since no stars is active, I will try and flash your power up Redded Hornet again. Didn't go through. I'm scooping because
GG's. I finally won with this lightning deck.
those Hornets got out quick. Tight. Yeah, we have 12 minutes left. Just
Let me be
squeeze in
quick
this
here.
one.
All right. Cut the players.
Yep.
You go first.
Yes,
7,
please. 5, 6, 7.
3.
Shoot, of course I have to mulligan.
I'll hold on to this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, yeah, we'll do this one.
Okay.
All right, man.
You
9.5
go first,
minutes. Let's do it. I'll bookmark for turn. Play an aura. Fatigue it for a bookmark. And I will pass.
All right. Bookmark for turn. So I cheated and already grabbed it, but it wasn't anything special. Didn't change my. The only reason I kept my hand was because of that. 1, 2, and pass turn.
Bookmark for turn. Awaken. Play a cosmic aura. And fatigue 2 for my first space nug. And I will pass.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Awaken. I'm gonna drop an aura. And then I'm going to lightning bolt your space nuggy.
Okay.
So we'll get hit for 25 and paralyzed next turn. And I will. Actually, I'm just gonna frickin' take him out with
Sure.
first anniversary.
All right, so traits
And
are no longer
pass
active.
turn. Yep,
Okay,
pass
all right.
turn.
I'll bookmark for turn and awaken. I will play a water Terra or water aura. I'm gonna fatigue all 3, 2 cosmic, 1 water for an Alignak. I'm gonna play a night strike, and I will pass turn.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Awaken. Drop this for turn. And I am just going to paralyze your Alignak for the turn.
Okay.
It doesn't take 25, it's just paralyzed.
Just automatic paralyze. Okay.
Pass. Yep. Pass turn.
All right. Bookmark. Awaken. So traits are active again.
Yep.
Cool. All right. I'll fatigue this cosmic aura here for a bookmark. Draw 2. Play a cosmic aura for turn. I guess just pass turn for now. Let paralyze fall off.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Awaken. I am going to bring out a Quetz for 4.
Yep.
And Alignak is invisible, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay. No, that doesn't do me what I like. I'm gonna play a Lightning Storm,
Okay.
and I'll do 90 to caster.
Okay.
Pass turn.
Bookmark for turn. Awaken. I'm gonna fatigue this water aura to play Born from the Earth.
Okay.
Go search for a
I am
Terra.
not gonna search my spell book.
All right. I'll bring out a full moon then. Oh, you have your thing. We'll do this one. 3rd spot there. Quick cut. So I got 3 aura left. I'm gonna fatigue 2 cosmic to bring out a space nug. I'm gonna try and flash your Kets. So flash goes through. I'm gonna play a Pool of Stars Terra, Meteor Shower, triggering his arena effect, so I'll deal 20 damage to Kets. I will Lightning in a Bottle my Space Nug. Swing at you for 30. And destroy your Lightning Storm Terra with his attack effect. Since it's your Terra, it doesn't trigger any damage. And then I will swing at your Lightning Glass for 40. And I'll move that under here.
I thought it was
to deal 10 damage to everything, which would take out your Lightning Glass.
Take it out.
And then Kets would have 30 damage. And then I will pass turn.
All right. Bookmark for turn. Awaken. Drop an aura. And Awaken flashed. Bring out Thunderbird. I'll swing 20 into caster. This is no longer flashed, and pass turn.
All right, so start of my turn. Alignak creates one of his Falling Stars tokens. I'll deal the 20 damage to Kets. So he's at 50 now.
50, yep.
I'll bookmark for turn and awaken. I'm gonna swing 30 at Kets, and then pop this to send another 25, so 55 total.
But would he attack back before that second thing pops off, or?
So I have this Terra where first strike beasties hit second. So technically, so in this case, he does hit. My guy hits first. But so like the way it works is if there's like status effects on the attack, those go through. Then the attack damage that gets calculated with like any Terra bonuses and stuff, and then my attack effect goes through before you would hit back.
I was just checking.
Yeah.
I was just checking.
So I'll bookmark for that Falling Stars Terra getting destroyed. I will play a Full Moon Terra. Swing at you for 40. And I will pop this under here to deal 20 damage to your board, so takes that. I'll fatigue 2 for a Night Watchers, and then I will pass turn.
Okay. Bookmark for turn. Or drop for turn. No, Alignak isn't flying. He's just invisibles.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to think here. Is it worth it? Not much time. This is I'm gonna do 4. Actually, no. First, I'm gonna attack you for 20.
Okay.
With that. Then I'm going to fatigue 4 to destroy all flying beasties in the arena. So if you have a dampen.
Oh, Blue Jet Strike. This must be the first page you can track this turn.
Which it was.
Okay.
Yep.
No aura? No aura contracted? I'm just messing.
Oh,
okay.
I did. Does that does count, doesn't it then? Because I did lay down an aura.
I think it does.
So
yeah.
I can't. Yeah. All right, shit. And I'll do the 4. Bring out a Quetz. Swing at you for. Actually, no. Should I keep him? No, because he doesn't even have first strike right now. Swing at you for 40 past turn.
Okay, so we ran into time. So I am now turn 0.
Yep.
All right, so I will. Let's start on my turn. Alignak creates his Falling Stars token, triggering him. I'm gonna deal 20 damage to you.
Okay.
I'll bookmark for turn and awaken. I will play a possessed aura for turn. I will fatigue 3 to play power up red.
Yep.
Put it on Alignak.
GG's, Mitch. Pretty sure it's.
Hey, dude, if you get a couple Kets out, let's see how this plays out. I'll fatigue this. Look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. No Aura or Terra. Fatigue this, or 30 damage to you. I'll pop this off, causing a bookmark, and I will deal 25 damage to you for that. I'll deal 150 to you. 20 spread damage to your board, so they both take 20. And then I will
40.
fatigue 1 for a new beginnings.
Okay. Hoping for that lightning in a bottle.
Yep. And a Terra or 2. Yeah, so like since we're in turns, you potentially could still come back if you get like some Kets out and just get a gnarly turn off. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So wait, it's gonna go my turn, and then your turn, and then it's over.
So I'm turn 0, you're turn 1, I'm turn 2, and then we each get 2 more turns. I'm pretty sure I took 150 off of you instead of 140. I'm going to... Alright, what's the health out of everything right now?
The Thunderbird has 10 LP, and the Quetz has 70.
Okay, I'll play a Stars Terra. Deal 10 damage to Thunderbird to finish it off, and the other 10 to Kets. And then I'll play a Meteor Shower to deal another 20 damage, so 30 more damage on Kets total.
It's at 60.
I'll play another Stars Terra, another 20 damage to Kets.
All right, it's at 80.
And then I will pass turn. So now we're on turn 1.
Bookmark for turn. I am going to drop an aura for turn. This is awakened. All right, Call of the Storm.
Yep.
All right, this is my chance. Wish I had a second Quetz in here. All right, so 90, 90, and 30.
Okay, so 210 total.
Yep. Then I am going to lightning bolt your Alignak. Paralyze it for next turn.
Okay. Yep.
This will die, and I will pass turn.
All right. So start of my turn. This gets created. I'll deal. So how much health does Kets have?
This Quetz has 10 left. Yeah, so you can take it out.
So 10 there. We'll do 10 to the other Kets.
All right.
So since there are 6 Terra out right now, this gets activated, and I will bookmark 2 at the start of my turn.
Okay.
2. We'll awaken what I can. Play a Prism Aura for turn. Fatigue this. Look at the top 3. 1, 2, 3. Take the aura. Did you see those all right?
Yeah.
All right.
We're at the end here.
Fatigue 2 for another Night Marchers.
Dark Watchers.
Dark Watchers, sorry. Played too much against your
Panty deck.
30 at you.
Mhm.
Pop this off. We'll deal another 25 to you, so 55 total. That triggers a bookmark. That also allows me to play 2 for a title pull. 1, 2, 3. Put these 2 at the bottom. And then I will pass turn. And then Paralyze falls off.
So does that mean I win?
It does, yes sir. You won. You took it.
Really, what saved me was the lightning bolt there. You would have won if I hadn't had the lightning bolt.